won't be able to run because of the floods. Because this river is very flood prone. There's 2 or 3 flood events a year that the river will rise by 2 or 3 metres or so. Every 3 or 4 years it's a massive flood event. The average rainfall for the valley is about 3 metres. Alright? So yeah, you will occasionally see another male in his territory. But you won't get a male that'll sort of move in and stay there for any period of time. Smallest crocodile you are going to see. Tiny little babies.
So what do they eat? Insects? And...
Yes. Yeah. When they first hatch, they are very voracious. And so insects, frogs, even small snakes.
Okay.
Right through to the mud skippers, small crabs and prawns and fish. He still remembers that. Yep. Yep, he still knows boats are dangerous. So this is where it's pretty amazing that we do build up a rapport so we can get close to these guys. And that's really close there now. That's about the attack zone, about 6 metres. So yeah.